Hey everybody, it's jreneee, and I just wanted to share with you guys something that I received from Influenster a while back. Today's actually the very last day of the campaign for L'Oreal Derm Intensives. I was in the Voxbox campaign and I received this Voxbox with 2 products for me to try. I received it complimentary in order to test out the products and give my honest review. And I will say that this is actually my first time trying L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensives products, and I am very impressed with these products, and I've been using them every day. I have felt a change in my skin as far as like the radiance and the youthfulness that I feel in my skin. So I'll tell you guys all about the 2 products. I got the vitamin C serum and the hyaluronic acid serum. So I'm actually going to be putting these on right now because I'm about to be doing a makeup tutorial. If you guys would like to watch my makeup tutorial, it'll be on LiveMe app. My username on there is jreneejrenee. So I use the vitamin C serum first, and I just apply that to my entire face. I apply this after I've used, like my cleanser and my toner. And then I use these as skin treatments. So the vitamin C is supposed to help give your skin a more radiant look and feel. So I can definitely tell when applying it that it makes my skin feel very smooth. It kind of has like a little bit of a tingling sensation, but it's not bothersome. Actually, it's more like a warmth. I kind of feel like a warm coating on my skin. Something that I did notice with that product. You'll begin to see results within like 2 weeks of using this product. That's the vitamin C serum. And the other product is the hyaluronic acid serum, which comes in a dropper bottle. This is 1.5% hyaluronic acid. It is going to help the skin to look more supple. So I just use about 3 drops. Actually 1 drop can be enough because it's gonna spread very easily all around your face. This product I absolutely love. This is my favorite of the 2. It makes my skin feel so smooth, and oh my gosh, I feel like I won't ever stop touching my face when I put this on. It makes my skin feel very nice. And I've been using it daily. So of these 2 products, I really like the hyaluronic acid a lot. I would use the 2 combined to get both of the benefits of these products. And yeah, that was from the Influenster Voxbox L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive. So thank you so much, L'Oreal. Thank you, Influenster. And thanks you guys for watching my review. If you're interested in these products, I'll put a link in my description. Also, check out Influenster if you're not already on the Influenster app. You can follow me there. You can see all of my product reviews. I write reviews on there as well as take photos of different products that I've used. And Influencer is a really fun beauty community app where people share their reviews and they write questions, and everyone's helping each other out. It's a really cool place to discover new beauty products. And you also get the opportunity to try new products if you get selected for a Voxbox. So the way that you get Voxboxes on Influencer, you participate and your impact score will go up. It also rates your social media. And I've been receiving a few Voxboxes. This is probably like my 5th Voxbox. And I'm just absolutely loving Influencer. They're a really cool app. So definitely check them out. I have a few of my followers are following me there. And I follow everyone back on Influencer. So yeah, definitely go check me out there and let me know what you guys thought of these products. Let me know if you've tried them, if you would be interested to try them. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and check back soon. I'll have a makeup tutorial that I'm about to do right now. So check back soon for that. Talk to you guys later. Bye.